Okay, guys. Alright. I live in Texas, born and raised. And the next movie in the Remake-A-thon is just a movie. It never happened.
The events of that day were to lead to one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Never pick up hitchhikers.
Look out!
It gets messy.
You're all gonna die.
Grab it!
And causes headaches. Like the kids in this movie found out.
You kids shouldn't have messed with that little girl.
Because Leatherface was waiting for more fresh meat to come. Because he's got a family to feed.
What's wrong with you fucking people?
Nothing wrong with us.
And he has to keep that chainsaw busy. They hardly even mention barbecue in this movie. That's why I've been holding the cover for the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I guess you could say I prefer the original recipe.